I am super excited because today I'm going to be doing a collaboration with Rinske Douna, and you guys check out her channel. She is an awesome artist from the Netherlands. She is the one that's been doing what she calls a Dutch pour with a hairdryer. And so we both live by the ocean, we're both inspired by water, we love the blues, so we decided that we're gonna do crashing waves. So I'm gonna do one way, she's gonna do one crashing the other way. Her video will be up on her channel. I'll put the links for her channel and her Instagram down below, so you guys feel free to check her out. I'll list everything else in the description, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm super excited about this one. Okay, you guys, I have coated my canvas in a layer of white, and I'm just gonna start pouring some colors on there. So I'm so excited. I love doing collaborations with other artists. I think it's inspiring, and I just love it. I mean, I watch other artists, so I think it's amazing. Okay, so that, I didn't have the exact colors. My art stores didn't have the Windsor Newton Galleria that Rinske uses, so I had to make the aqua color out of phthalo green and phthalo blue. So that's what I did there. And then the sky blue was an original color. I don't want to put too much because I want the wave to actually be crashing. I'm gonna add a little bit more right there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. Oh, I'm gonna add a little bit of white in there. Always makes me nervous. I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope mine turns out good. Okay. Scraped just a little bit off the canvas here with my tip. I didn't mean to do that, so I'm gonna pour a little bit more white and put a little bit more blue. This is fixable. Liking where this is going. I'm gonna put a little bit more Windsor blue. That Windsor blue is really pretty. Up through there. And I want this to crash a little bit more. Right there. Pour that white off of there. Add a little bit more white through there. So, let's see what happens. The rest of it I'm going to blow with my mouth, I think. So I love the colors. Good job, Rinske. So it's funny, I actually had to get her to send me a little message because I didn't want to butcher her name, which I'm probably sure I still did. Oh, I really like that those colors came through right there. Just a little more right here. I'm gonna blow the white that way. Oh yeah. I love it. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so here she is. And there's the edges. There's up close right there. Trying to focus. Take my autofocus off. There we go. So there she is. I hope you guys like it. Rinske, I hope you like it. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Don't forget to head on over and check out Rinske Douna's channel. And thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Happy painting. Bye.